Hi, I'm Not Your Average Joe, and today we're upcycling this pretty average wooden door into a not-so-average corner unit. I call it the Doorner unit. We're starting off where any true upcycling project should, with destruction. No, not destruction yet, some tedious markings out of cut lines, and then destruction! We're going to literally bisect this door down the middle, straight down, no fancy angle cuts or anything, at least not for this one. Circular saw, jigsaw, handsaw, bit of all saw, whatever you fancy, short of actually destroying it. These splintered edges were sorted out in seconds with a multi-tool before quickly hand sanding the sides. We're also gluing down a chunk of wood that was ripped out by the jigsaw. This decadent design of a dapper debonair Doorner unit needs at least 5 shelves to functionally replace her current one. Just for speed of getting this together, we're using pre-made pine shelves and making some strip wood support brackets to mount them on. Before we put the shelves in, we've got to join the two halves together, so back to marking out. This time, where to drill through on the centre column to ensure that the screws don't hit each other. I clamped one half of the door to the garden table, and the support being on top to hold it in place. Holes were marked and drilled as evenly spaced over the 3 thick sections of timber across the top, bottom and middle of the door. A couple of 3-inch screws in each section should do the trick, with an extra one at the top just to finish off the pack. To join the second half, we're piloting through the support column into the door where we've just marked as safe spots. Before tacking the join with a screw at each side to stand it up, check it's all in line, stick some more screws in, and drive the family home. To get the shelves in, we're spacing out and marking where our mited mounts will go. We'll have a large shelf over the upper panel, with all the others spaced out evenly, roughly 10 inches apart. To get the shelves in place, we're tacking them down with a single screw in the far back corner. The shelves are secured in place with a couple of screws countersunk beneath the surface, before finishing off the whole lot in a couple of coats of walnut wood stain. Leaving it to dry for a few hours, and then putting it in place so that Mum can dress it up. I'm particularly pleased with this one. The build went a lot smoother than I expected and the finish is spot on. Interested in seeing the secret bookcase door I made, guitar case shelving or back garden climbing wall? Check out Not Your Average Joe on Facebook and YouTube for more unaverage makings. I'll see you next time.